Okay. See, in the morning class, we have discussed what are WebDriver locators. WebDriver locators are eight: ID, name, class name, CSS selector, XPath, tag name, link text, partial link text. And how to write those locators means by dot locator using Catalan recorder also I have shown you. And how to write, see, all these locators are static methods in by class. Then what is the syntax?
So you, hello,
Yeah,
I have
tell me.
one question. Sorry for the difference.
Tell me.
Okay, so you have shown in Catalan, right?
Mm.
Yeah. So is it possible in all the companies will allow that third-party plugins?
See, that is depend on the company.
Okay,
If
okay,
they
okay.
allow, then it's fine.
Yeah.
If they
Okay,
don't allow,
okay.
no.
Okay. Because why I'm asking is that I want to work in office laptop, so I would like to practice in
Okay,
office
okay.
laptop.
See, for
So that's
locators also there are a Catalan recorder is a basic tool, but the best tool is
okay.
Selectors Hub. Selectors Hub
Okay.
is the best tool, best and best tool. But
Yeah.
before depending on the tools, manually we should be perfect. We should write the locators. We should do the object identifications. When we
Okay.
should do,
Okay.
go with the tools means we are all perfect. We are perfect with the doing the object identification, any locator, XPath, CSS, everything. I am perfect. Then only we should go to the tools.
Yeah.
Okay.
I understand. Yeah.
Because by tools we'll give a long XPath CSS selectors. But if we write, then it will be short. We can squeeze the locators also. First,
Okay. Okay.
try to learn the locators, how to locate the elements, everything. Then
Okay.
in the second part, just go to the tools once you are perfect. If you are not
Okay.
perfect in writing the locators, don't go with the tools. This is the suggestion, humble suggestion.
Yeah.
Okay, don't go
Yeah.
with the tools directly. First,
Okay.
try to do the object identification by yourself. Then only then go with once you are perfect, then go with tools.
Okay.
Okay. See, first
Yeah.
one. All the locators are static methods in by class. Then next, 1 minute. Miss. Yes, sir. See, then how you will write these locators in web element format. See, this is the syntax. Web element name is equal to driver dot find element by dot locator of locator value. This is the syntax. See, this is the standard syntax. Pad. Let me open notepad. Web element name is equal to driver dot find element by dot locator of locator value. See here, web element is an interface. Element is equal to driver is the object reference. Dot find element is the method. And this is the parameter. If you observe, can you please see this is how to call non-static methods? Can you please tell me how to call non-static methods?
Through object
Okay, then syntax. How to
syntax.
syntax.
So static. Sorry, no. Void.
See, I'm
Yeah.
asking how
Data
to
type.
call
Okay.
non-static method. Data type variable name is equal to object reference dot non-static method. See, this is the syntax. Same syntax. Data type. Here data type is web element is an interface. Okay, this is also one type of data type. And this is the variable name. And driver is the object reference. And find element is the non-static method. See, here find element method is the non-static method. In WebDriver, in WebDriver interface, every method is a non-static method only. How to call non-static method means data type variable name is equal to object reference dot non-static method. The same syntax. This is the standard syntax. Web element name is equal to driver dot find element by dot locator of locator value. What are the what are the WebDriver locators means? ID, name, class name, CSS selector, XPath, link text, partial link text. See, first ID. Okay, web element. Let me show you practically. Okay, mm, let's go to open cart application. Here it is the register form. Right click. How to open the dev tools means just right click on any element. Just click on inspect. This is how we will inspect. See, first I'll go with ID. See, this is the first name. First name I'm identifying. Here there is an ID attribute. Just copy this. Copy. This is the first name edit box. Just write web element. First name edit box. First name edit box is equal to driver dot find element by dot. What is the what is the locator I am using? ID. ID
Mhm.
of ID value within double quotes we need to give. Simple. Then next. This is how with the ID. Then next ID. Next one name. Let's see. Let's spy on this last name. Just check whether for this last name edit box is there any name attribute or not. See, there is a name attribute. Just copy. Right click. Copy. This is last name edit box. Web element. Last name edit box is equal to driver dot find element by dot name of we need to provide name value. That's it. Simple. Then next ID name class name next. Then class name. Just spy on this email. Just check whether is there any class or not. See, there is a class. First check with the catalog recorder. Just click on this catalog recorder. Just copy this. Control plus C. Now add new row. Here class is equal to control form. Then just click on this. See, here class is equal to form control it is having multiple locators. That is the reason it is highlighting no first name. See, that means form control. See here. See, this is the email attributes. For email also, there is a form control. For last name also, there is a class is equal to form control. That means form control is a duplicate attribute for each and every edit boxes. In that case, we should not go with the class. Then let's go here password. Oh, form control only. Class.
So is it possible without inspecting those elements, we can write manually?
Can you please repeat your
It,
question? Come again.
so without inspecting those, we are inspecting these elements, right? By
Mm,
to locate these elements.
mm.
So is it possible by manually?
Yeah, this is what manually. We are doing manually
No,
only.
yeah, yeah, but not by inspecting those elements.
I didn't get your question. Can you
So
please?
you're inspecting like you're inspecting your password confirm or anything like radio buttons or
Hmm.
check boxes.
Okay.
So is it possible to write manual without inspecting? I'm asking.
No, no,
Without
no, no,
inspect,
no, no.
without going to,
See, with
without
no, 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 no. It is
opening the
not
application and
possible. See,
okay, okay,
this is the front end one which we are able to see. That means same thing. Already developers have written backend code like this. To interact with these
okay,
elements, it is mandatory thing to first we need to inspect using this HTML code only. We need to write the
okay, okay.
locators. This is the
So
only one way
we'll
we can interact with
okay,
these locators in the automation. There is no other
okay.
way.
So we'll get the application first itself. Okay, at the starting itself before
Hmm.
testing. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, that is mandatory to interact with the HTML is mandatory. That is how
Okay,
we are
okay.
writing the locators so that
So
automation can.
so
Tell
yeah,
me.
you are explaining with the open cart application, right?
Mm. Yes.
So so without having that application, we can't write this
No,
syntaxes, right?
no,
No, no.
it is not
Okay,
possible.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
See, if you
okay.
have
So
even
initially they
seen,
will give the application.
yes, if
Okay,
there is an application only, we can automate. Otherwise, we cannot automate.
okay,
Okay. In some cases, if they told you just keep dummy data, just keep dummy data and automation. For that also, for dummy data means must and should they'll say, see, for example, in the first page, it will contain first name, last name, email. These are all the fields, and there will be a button. Just make a note down of all those fields. What are all the fields in the first page? Okay, then just provide dummy data. Name edit box, email edit box, this is the locator. Phone edit box, this is the locator. But in the real cases, automation means must and should there will be an manual, application. Application should be before doing the automation testing.
okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, for every maximum class is form control. Everyone, everything is having class is equal to form control only. I'll write in case of copy. Here class is equal to class name. Now just go to the notepad. Okay, here class name. Same. Web element just you need to replace. That's it. Email underscore edit box. Email edit box equal to driver dot find element by dot class name. Class name of class name value. That's it. Simple. Do you have any questions till now? Is it simple or hard?
Simple only.
Yeah, see, because this is the syntax. Simple. What you are doing, what we are doing means just we are replacing the locators. That's it. ID means for
Okay,
that element there should be an ID attribute. Here we need to pass ID attribute value within double quotes. Here also in the HTML code for that particular last name edit box there is an attribute name. I'm using name then attribute value. Class name that class value. Simple. Then next ID name class name CSS and XPath we can discuss tomorrow. Okay.
okay. So you,
Then
it will not be possible
hmm.
by writing the same attribute names, right? Same attribute values or same attribute.
No, 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 it is not possible. See, these are the
Not possible.
locators. These are WebDriver
Okay,
locators. We should use only these eight locators only.
okay, okay,
Okay? Value.
okay.
We should not keep these
So,
things.
so in the class name is a locator, right? So
Mm,
in that example, you have mentioned like form control is a common attribute value, right? So it will inspect
if
all those elements.
mm,
Okay.
it will
So
fail, the
that is
test
my
case will
question.
fail.
Okay.
The test case
Okay.
will
Okay.
fail.
Okay.
For example, I
So
have shown
okay.
you. For
Okay.
example,
Okay.
only
Okay.
I have shown you. See, there is a
Okay.
for this class, I mean, for this email edit box, there is a class is equal to class name attribute value. For
Okay.
class means here the locator will be class name, not class. We should use class name, then class value.
Okay.
That's it. Then next, tag name. See, if you are identifying means that should be like a unique. It should not match multiple elements. Tag name after link text. Then next, partial link text. That's it. The first tag name. This is the one, right? See, let's spy on this register account. See, here it is having H1 tag. I can use this tag name H1. If you do Control F, H1. Do you know how to hide this label, this stop share?
No. No. Which one?
Hide video panel? No.
No. I don't know.
Okay, no worries. See, here the tag name is H1, but that is matching two elements. Okay, as of now, I'm for example, I'm saying tag name as a H1. Register account header. See, web element, register, register account header is equal to driver dot find element by dot. What is the locator? Tag name. Tag name of what is the tag name for that register account header?
Which one?
H1. Simple. That's it. Then next, just check whether is there any links. See, what is the link text for this login page? Link. What is the link text? Where will be the
At
link text?
attribute.
I'm not asking the tag name. I'm asking the text of that link. What is the text of that link?
Login page.
How you are saying? Where do you find in the HTML code?
Yes. Yes.
Where? Where it is? What is the place of the text?
Href.
See, see,
The
this is the
login page is the text, right? Yeah.
login page is the text. For this login page link, what is the text means? Login page is the text. Let me show you another
Yeah.
examples also. For this, what is now? I have mouse over. Now in this, what is the text? What is the text for this link?
Yeah.
See, simple text
Account is
means,
it?
yeah, this is
Yeah.
the start of the tag. Between start tag and end tag, between whatever the text is there, it is called link text. That is the link name. Link text means this is what account is the link text. Clear now? What is meant by link text?
Yeah.
See. Okay, now
So it,
right click, copy. Now here web element account link is equal to driver dot find element by dot link text. Then pass that exact link text. Simple. Then next. What is the name here? Name of the link here?
Text name, right?
Link
Link
name.
name or text. Okay, privacy policy. Okay.
Privacy policy. See, same. The location is same. Privacy policy. The text will be in between start and end tag. See here, privacy policy. It is having two words, but I want only one. I'll use only privacy. That means now in this case, I'm not giving exact text. I'm giving partially. Partial means privacy. Privacy policy link is equal to driver dot find element by dot partial link text. Then partial text you can give. See, what is the difference between link text and partial link text? Means link in case of link text, you need to give exact name of that link. Okay. But in the case of partial link text, you can give partial text. It is not mandatory to give the full text. Clear? Till now, do you have any questions?
No, no question. So
ID means
if we pass partial link,
hmm.
so if it is already existed with another attribute value,
Then you need to
attribute
change.
like attribute change. Okay.
See, this is not related to attribute. This is related to text.
Text. Yeah, yeah, text
Text.
only. Okay. So if it exists as another text as well.
Okay. Just check in the. See, if there are duplicates, then you need to go with another locator like CSS, XPath.
Okay, okay,
If
okay,
there are any duplicates, you should not use.
okay,
If there is a chance, you can use a link text, partial link text. By using those link text and partial link text, it is matching multiple elements. Then you should not go with those elements. Then try to use another locator like
okay,
CSS and XPath. Then it will become only a single matching. That should be like a unique. That is how you need to write the object identification for these
okay.
locators. Okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay then. Next. Hmm. See, I have already explained you this by tag name. One by one, I'll tell you. Then next. Now, let's create. Now let's create the one simple program. Okay? Narsimha, now I am going to show you how to create a project, Maven project. Okay, first open the IntelliJ and click on File, New Project. In this project, just give the name of your project. That is Java Selenium March 2026. Okay, create a Git repository. Here, just select the language as Java and build tool is Maven. No need to add any simple code. Then click on create. Open this window only. This is how you need to create a Maven project. You should not create simple like we have created for Java. To work with the, to interact with the browser, we should use Maven as a build tool so that we can interact with the browser. If you observe in the Java programming last 16 days, what we have learned means it is just like a programs. It is not interacting with the browser. But to interact with the browser, we should use the Maven as a build tool. What is the purpose of this Maven build tool means it will install all the dependencies that required for to interact with the browser. Okay. See, now I'll explain you the folder structure. See, this is the project Java Selenium March 2026. Inside this, there is an SRC folder. Inside SRC folder, there will be two subfolders like main and test. As we are writing the test cases as a QA, we will work on this test folder only. Mainly test folder only we will work. Just open this test folder. Inside this test folder, there will be a Java folder. Inside this, you need to create packages, then classes. That's it. Just copy this, paste it in this resources. Okay. Now, what is meant by pom.xml? See, for this Maven, for this project, for the Selenium project, pom.xml is like a heart. Pom.xml is in heart for this project. See, and it contains what are the sections this pom.xml contains means it contains a project section, properties section. Below this properties section, we need to add the dependencies section. Dependencies. Inside these dependencies, we should add only one dependency as of now, that is Selenium Java. Just go to the browser. Now just open Maven repository, simple MVN repository. See, in this MVN repository, just type Selenium Java. Okay, then click on search. Now add this dependency. Click on this. See, if you come, you need to select the latest version. Come down. See here, this is the dependency. Just click on that, it will copy. Now go to the project. Now inside this dependency section, just add that dependency. One dependency is enough. That is Selenium Java. Okay. Now it will ask indexing. Dependency 4.41.04. Okay. Or else let me use another version. 4.40. Copy. Control plus. Why it is not showing indexing? Oh, newer version available. Okay. 4.39.0.